Hey guys, this is Emmanuel with Funtown RV, and today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of the Rockwood Signature 8337 RL. Let's go take a look. All right guys, starting off on this beautiful Rockwood, we're going to have a Lippert electric tongue jack, dual large propane tanks, and we're also going to have space for 2 batteries here in this battery carrier. Right above me, you're gonna have our signature large window. This is gonna go into our front bedroom, and a beautiful LED light strip that powers on by switches on this side of the camper here, right next to the electric stabilizer jacks as well. We're gonna have electric stabilizer jacks on the front of this camper and on the rear. Coming through to the side of this beautiful RV, we're gonna have a nice large awning, 2 large awnings. They're also going to have guard plates. Once you retract the awning in all the way, it's going to protect your awning from the elements. Along the back side, we're going to have our large slide. This is going to be one side of dual opposing slides on the interior. On the outside, you'll see our beautiful Rockwood signature decal, 2 large frameless windows, and 2 outdoor speakers. Towards the back here, we're going to have our freshwater connection, another large frameless window, and like I mentioned before, there's going to be an electric jack on the rear, and then also our freshwater drain. All right guys, along the back of this Rockwood, we're going to have our tray. This is going to be great for accessories. It's going to drop down. You're going to be able to store and carry around whether it's firewood, coolers, things like that. They also include a receiver hitch down below for additional storage. If you wanted to add something on there, you have that. Rockwood adds the ladder. This comes standard, and you have access to your fully walkable roof. This one is also rear camera prepped right above our large window that goes into the living room. All right guys, and remember to join our Facebook group, Texas RV Buy, Sell, Trade, and Tips. Here on the driver's side, we're also going to have our primary connections, including cable, satellite connection, city water, and then down low, we're gonna have a low point drain and our main drains as well for this camper here. Hey guys, next time you're at a Funtown RV location, keep an eye out for our Camptown Outfitter store. This is gonna be where you find all the accessories for your RV and all the camping necessities that you might need for your next trip. So take a look at that. Keep an eye out for our mycamptown.com. That's gonna be our website. You'll be able to find all our inventory on there. Now let's go take a look inside this Rockwood. All right guys, coming into the interior of this camper here, this Rockwood 8337 RL, you're gonna notice a ton of space. This is because we have opposing slides in this camper. It's gonna offer a huge residential feel in this RV. In our main slide here, we're gonna have freestanding table and chairs. And also you'll notice each window is gonna have MCD blackout shades for daytime and for nighttime. This camper comes standard with some beautiful sofas. This material is actually looking like cloth, however, it's actually a sealed off material that will not stain easy at all. Coming towards the rear, you may already have noticed all the LED lighting we have in this camper. It's a beautiful, vibrant looking camper because of the lighting. We also have storage overhead here in the rear, and underneath that, we're gonna have our pull-out bed. This does pull out into a queen size type bed. On either side of this pull-out sofa here, we're gonna have traditional outlets and also USB outlets for charging your phone, plugging in breathing machines, things like that. You're gonna have great utility. And coming towards the entertainment center, we're gonna have some storage up above our TV. This setup is very unique because we have our TV kind of elevated and mounted onto the wall. This is gonna allow for additional counter space on this beautiful kitchen that we have coming up next. Down below, we're gonna have our stereo system. This is going to control the audio outside the camper and as well as inside. And right underneath that, we're going to have our beautiful log lit up heater, also with this beautiful brick pattern. Makes it really feel like home in here. The kitchen offers some great features here in this Rockwood. We have our Magic Chef microwave, our Magic Chef stove, oven, and also gray stone. We're going to have a vent above our stovetop as well. Beautiful, beautiful kitchen. We have our kitchen island with a large farm style sink. Comes standard with this drying rack as well. our Magic Chef 12-volt fridge. This is going to be a great addition to have. It's going to cool down very quickly. We're also going to have this hutch. This is going to be awesome to have your coffee maker set up, a little coffee station. You can store dishes up top with even more storage down below. It does come with its own little personal trash can and plenty of drawer space. In this hallway here, we're also going to have our control panel. This is going to tell us our status of our tanks, going to control all the power accessories that we have, including the awning light, the step lights. This is going to be controlled by this control panel, or you can control it with the WeRV app on your phone. That's an awesome feature to have. Right next to that, we're also going to have our thermostat. It's going to control our ACs. Before we come into our restroom here, I want to point out the 30 amp solar controller. This RV is going to have a 200 watt solar panel up top. It's going to come already installed, and a 1000 watt inverter. So in our bathroom here, we're going to have plenty of space, plenty of headway. I'm 6'2", and I still have probably about 5 or 6 inches left until the roof. It's going to be a nice shower with the removable shower head, your hot and cold switches. We're going to have a nice sink with a vanity with additional storage space, your LED light up top, and even more storage down underneath the sink. Hey guys, I want to mention to check out our customer RV toolbox. It's going to be on our Funtown RV website. It's going to be a great resource. Tutorial videos are going to be linked there, and also it's going to be some resources for you to be able to pick out your perfect RV catered to all your needs. So check that out. In our master bedroom here, you're going to see the utility of this bedroom slide. It's going to offer tons of space to walk around the bed, to change. You're going to want space to change because we have plenty of closet space in this one. Definitely no shortage of storage in this camper. In this closet here, we're going to have a rack already built in for hanging up our clothes. We're also going to have washer and dryer connection in there if you wanted to add that down the line. Coming along the back here, you're going to see tons of counter space and that signature window that Rockwood always has with a blackout shade as well. More cubbies for storage. Here we're going to have our king size bed with our padded headboard, storage up above with reading lights, additional outlets on either side of the bed for plugging in your electronics, and then we're also going to have some storage below the bed as well. All right guys, that was a walkthrough of the Rockwood 2023 8337 RL. And I want to say thank you for joining us again, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember, the fun starts here.